Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion. Today guys, I'm going to do another quick product review for you guys. Now, I made a video about intakes before, and there was only one intake that wasn't out at that point, and it was the AMS intakes. Take a look at this quick video by CZP Performance when they dyno tested intakes on the market, and the only intake that they could say that performed as close to the OEM intakes was Burger Tuning. So shout out to Burger Tuning, but this was also on a 3.0T 300 horsepower non-tuned vehicle. So not necessarily coming at these intakes, but if you have a tuner, you should, pretty much tune for those intakes. But otherwise than that, Burger Tuning was the closest, but AMS wasn't out at the time. So AMS took their time out, data logged, put a lot of attention and time into making an OEM style intake system to be used on Q50 and Q60s. That means that they also did a collaboration with Infinity. You can go to discount, I think parts or whatever.com, Infinity Parts or something like that, and you can choose to purchase these intakes, install them, and go in and do your service for your Q50 Q60. Infinity approves these intakes, so you can definitely go and order these online and install them. They are a pretty penny, but they are proven based on a lot of dyno charts and everything I've seen that they gain wheel horsepower from 35 to 4,000 and up RPM, ranging between 10 to 15 wheel horsepower. And if you're tuned, it could be 20, 25. All right, guys. So let's just get into the quick DIY, the quick detailed video on how these actually look. All right, guys. Let's just jump right into it. All right, I'm telling you, I don't like to cut it and everything. You see, I'm already slicing everything up. I might have sliced up my freaking hand if I didn't. But anyways, all right, let's take a look. And boom. Okay, bubble wrap. Okay. All right. Boom, get that out the way. That's how much I paid. Cry it, otherwise you don't want to see that. All right. They give you a pamphlet. Introduction, disassembly. Wow, they actually give you a video of pictures on how to install it. That is very good. They don't, a lot of places do that. Shout out to AMS for taking their time out and having the pictures, because that means they want us to install it on our own. From what it seems like, we use a different post mass airflow tube that goes to the turbo from the intake. Different little brackets. We reuse the OEM style mass airflow, so they didn't develop their own mass airflow. All right, let's take a look. Anything else here I can see? Nice. Yep, seem like they reuse the bottom part, or they redo the whole housing with a cone inside. But anyway, let's just move that out the way. Okay, so you see how these guys, it says Infinity. That means you can go to Infinity and purchase this offline and install it yourself, or have them install it. Okay? Wow, alright. This is actually, I like the packaging. They look like they took their time out. Ooh. Oh man, I hope you guys are getting just as nervous as me, because I am literally sweating. Don't you guys love car parts? Like, I freaking love car parts. But anyways, oh, okay, nice, good construction, one-piece unit. There's the cone. Okay, so it seems like, can I open this? I would have, no, it look like I really can't. They use the rivets, or I would have to use Allen key to separate it. Okay, Allen key. All right. They have one hole here. I guess that connects to there's a little silencer or something on the side of it. The intake is supposed to sit inside. I guess that screws in. And the intake is in bubble wrap. So I'm not going to break all that down in the video. This should be the passenger side. I believe it's probably going to look the same. But it has all the parts. Everything. Same type of thing here going on. Yeah, they probably have an Allen key or something, because I don't see how I'm going to connect that intake without doing so. All right. Everything smells new. Jeez. Woo. All right. Anything else here I need to take out? These are the tubes. Damn, they feel really nice. And they feel non-collapsible, guys. And you guys might ask me, what is non-collapsible? Like some of these intake silicones, when they have suction on it, they'll collapse. But this doesn't collapse easy. I lift, okay, guys? I work out, and I can't freaking collapse this. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, so this is the passenger driver side. has a little silicone piece for the PCV valve. Okay. All right. What else they have in here? Okay, they have all the clamps and little miscellaneous wear. All of it look like it's shaved and cut really good. Like, look at that one. That's cut really good and precise. Not no like regular L bracket you buy at Home Depot. Okay, these guys took their time out. Is there anything else in here that they included? I guess just stickers, a little pamphlet. Oh, nice. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Is there an Allen key in here, though? There probably is an Allen key in there. Don't see it. I like this. I like this already. I guess this is why AMS took so long. But, this is a quick product review, guys. Oh, look, this even happened for the little mass airflow part. The mass airflow has a little indentation here, and they actually took their time to put that there for you. Nice, nice, AMS. Appreciate y'all, guys, so much. Very much. All right, guys. Let me just give my final thoughts, because I'm going to do a DIY for this too. So most of you guys are going to probably sit there and ask, well, why are you considering getting these intakes? Well, like most of y'all, I don't really like spending a lot of money unless I know that it's proven it's going to work. Because it's like getting a muffler delete thinking that you're going to gain power, but all you got is noise. So the same thing here. After looking at that video from CZ Peace, I saw all those intakes didn't make no power. Most of them sucked in hot air from the engine bay. And I always, from Maxima days, I always learned that having the intake suck in the coldest air or having the coolest airflow to it, no matter if it's a turbo car or not, still is beneficial. I know some of you guys are going to debate me and say, no, but tuners know this is very true, no matter what. So, otherwise than that, I really chose this intake because it has proven performance from 3500 and up. Another thing is I like the fact that I can install it and I won't have any warranty issues, which means I don't have to demod it if I bring the car in for service, because Infinity did a collaboration with them. So you can go and purchase this product from the Infinity discount parts, whatever the case might be, and install it yourself and drive in for service. No issues, no problems. Love that. It's just like having the AXLEBACK exhaust. Same thing. All in all, I really do like the quality of the product. This isn't a sponsored video from AMS. I did not try to contact them because they already did a collaboration with Infinity. So it's not like there's anything I can get for you guys or if I can get anything for it, because it doesn't really apply here. But all in all, there's going to be a DIY video for this coming up really soon. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the little bell. I like to put a lot of products out and do product reviews and installations and DIYs and just talk Infinity jargon with you guys, all right? So I appreciate y'all very much. Don't forget, y'all can contact me at Boost in Motion at Instagram and Boost in Motion at Facebook and ask me those questions. Also, some of the questions you guys want to ask me, I already made videos on, so please go check the channel out and see what may have come up, okay? And also, if there's something I probably haven't covered before and you watched all my videos, comment below. Maybe I can make a video about it. Maybe I did some information I could put out there about it that I've read or someone taught me about it, okay? Do appreciate you very much. This is Boost in Motion, signing out.